In this video, I will show you how to report someone on TikTok. So the steps are so simple to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, let's say I want to report this person account. All you have to do now, tap on the person that you want to report his account. So as you can see, after you open up the person, as you can see like this one. So if you want to report the person, just tap on this three dot at the top right side. After you tap on this three dot, as you can see now at the bottom, you can see an option which says report. This one, as you can see now, there's an option here which says report. Here is it. As you can see, here is the option. This one which says report. So just tap on it. So it will take you to this option now. Allow it now to finish loading the information. So as you can see now it says report account or report content. So as you can see now, just choose your option. Now you want to report the content or you want to report the account. So as you can see now, I want to report the account. Tap on it. So as you can see now choose the option for reporting his account. As you can see now, proud and scam. So just choose the option. So I'll just go with this second one. After you choose the option, as you can see now, it will give you now an option to select why. So just tap on this like celebrity or me. So as you can see now, they'll ask you now to just type some information. Let's say me. After you selecting me, tap on this submit button. So as you can see now, here it says thank for reporting. We will review your report and take action if there is a violation of our community guideline. So now if TikTok view what you report the account for and it comes through, so they will just block the account or just ban the people person from using TikTok. Tap on this done option. So now I report this account. That's it guys on how to report someone on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.